some of you are aware, I seem to have a magnet for Audi drivers, bad Audi drivers, like this impatient git behind me now. Audi. It had to be an Audi. It's right up my arse. Right up my arse the whole time, wanting me to break the speed limit and then just go straight through a red. Eyes of her and everything. She's been pretty brave so far. She's done all right.
She's been incredible, hasn't she?
A lot of bloody hell. She just walks out. You turned your back on traffic there. Maybe it wouldn't be so bad if you parked properly in the bay and in the correct direction, so your kid will be getting out pavement side rather than roadside. Coming up is one of my pet hates. There's a guy on the left hand side here, just before the garage. He's got priority, walking with his kid there. Have a look over your shoulder. Just because you've got priority doesn't mean that someone is actually going to stop. And then maybe walk your kid to the crossing. It's just there, right in front of you. Instead of walking into a bike lane. Why not teach your kid the correct way of doing it? Now we're in a cyclist, you know, even if they're the one going through the red light. That wasn't red by any chance, was it, Mr. Motorbike? They don't let no one go. You know? I wish I never now. Thanks. You're welcome. A little acknowledgement would have been nice. Considering that the bike just gave you a filthy look after going through a red light, the bike itself gave him a filthy look. I give him a little smile and say, there you go, and he gives me a filthy look. Another shortcut merchant. Yeah. That wasn't cutting the corner at all, mate, was it?
Stairgates on Hard Ross.
Yeah, a lot of people have been saying about
Well, I can't find stairgates on Hard Ross.
yeah, a lot of people have been saying about Lidl being shelves empty and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah. Is there another word for stairgate?
What was that all about? You just wait. If I'm turning right, you don't go next to me to turn right as well. Idiot.
There are loads on at the weekend. How funny.
Now you get to see why I made that big sigh. An impatient BMW driver. I'm sure she tried to block me off here. The new rule with pedestrians at crossings, I do try, but only when they can pay attention to the road. She's not even looking, she's on her phone. A very special idiot right here. hard work. You wouldn't know how to do that. This is aggressive. All I can say is it's a good job the bike was paying attention because the BMW wasn't. I'm going to take this bike out. BMW's not look, that's for sure. Look, another one there, look. Not down to the bike to slow down. Down to them. There's some serious fucking idiots around.
That was really awesome.
Round, yeah? Round, arsehole. Cutting the fucking corner. Knobhead. So it cuts the corner so much that I can't even turn left.
I really enjoyed it. I'll be back tomorrow morning. No, I won't. What man back in the big chairs and in Brazil. So enjoy that show. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Thank you so much for listening. Jim White, Simon Jordan coming up next.
Professional driver coming up the outside here. Where the hell does he think he's going? Whoa. Dear oh dear, what's going on? Now I'm pretty familiar with these traffic lights. I know that when I've got a green light, that car there has also got a green light. But this van will have a red light still. Which is why I was a little bit surprised he started to pull away. As you can see, he's still got a red light. Not only that though, he pulls straight across this car that has got a green light. Quality bit of driving that one, mate. It would appear that red is the new green. In Epsom, anyway. And this guy here is actually scratching his head, wondering what the hell is going on. And he actually has to go and have a look at the lights to see what colour they are. But by that time they've changed.